Nearly a quarter of urban Honolulu's drinking water comes from the ground below Red Hill and Halawa. And tonight, we've learned the massive fuel spill 2 years ago has made its way into the groundwater. Rick Daysog has a story new at 10.
The fuel contamination seeped into the ground in this area, but it didn't reach the drinking water, which is about a mile away.
The groundwater aquifer, which contains the water, is contaminated to various levels from petroleum contaminants below and near the facility.
It's been 2 years since tank number 5 at the Navy's Red Hill fuel tank facility spilled 27,000 gallons of jet fuel into the ground. The Navy emptied the tank and began monitoring nearby groundwater. The contamination levels eventually dropped, and the Navy declared the drinking water safe.
I have a high degree of confidence that petroleum products from this incident have not migrated from the Red Hill tank facility towards the Red Hill well aquifer.
But Ernie Lau, the Board of Water Supply's chief engineer, says the contamination has reached the aquifer. He says contamination levels recorded by one of the monitoring wells spiked in April and are now higher than they were when the spill was discovered.
It indicates signs of petroleum contamination that is pretty high. Over long term and possibly decades, could there be a movement of fuel in the groundwater, in the aquifer, in our direction? And that's a concern.
And we don't know a lot about how far and how fast this is spreading. So we just need to keep on top of it and make sure that we take action before this enters our drinking water.
Lau says he wants to see more monitoring wells placed near the board's Halawa drinking wells to ensure that the fuel spill isn't migrating there. Rick Daysog, Hawaii News Now.
Also new at 10, a study released today says a new power plant